Where's the mortar? Yeah. Ah! No, this needs to be a concerted effort, guys. Come on. What? Right, win button. I pressed the win button. Fuck you, you piece of shit. Fucking cunt. Right. Kill everything. Blitz. Just kill it all. I'm sick of losing. I wanted to win now. So I pressed the win button. I paid my $2.99. I get to win. You lose. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Ha 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 ha! You didn't think I had a win button, did you? Did you, little monkey? You forgot about the win button. Yeah, that's it. Look at my elite skills. Win button. That's it. This game is esports ready, guys. I am proving that. Face to Maxim Spanner. I won in the end thanks to my handy win button. And it's alright now, guys. I did not lose to a level 5,000 player on stream. We can all be happy that Co balance